Good day, guys. This is Oyekole Abdullahi Andrew, CEO Criterion Life App. Criterion Life App is designed to serve as a one-stop solution to health, marriage, life, sex problems out there. The app has lots of features which were built to serve as educational, instructional materials to everyone out there. The app has medicinal plants where we discuss about 500 different plants, the benefits, the uses, the curative actions, the side effects, and the description of the plants with images. We also have a session where we discuss on diseases. We discuss on the symptoms of each disease, on the causes, on the types, how to diagnose the diseases, and how those conditions are treated and addressed in conventional medicine, and how they could also be treated with natural medicine. We also discuss on sex and marriage matters, like major problems that affect marriages and how we can spice up our marriage and take it to the next level. We also have some session where we discuss on nutritional facts, on some health conditions and how they could be modified and managed with healthy dietary habits. We also have, there are so many features on the app. There are forums where you can have interactive chat and discussions. We meet like minds, ask questions and get prompt response. We also have AI integration on the application where you can ask basically just any question out there on the app. We have image galleries, we have images on life facts, we have images on cities in the world, we have images on motivations, on health, on marriage, on sex. We have so many features on the app, and what we want from you right now is just to go on Play Store, download the app, make use of the app. To make use of the app, you download it on Play Store and you register. After inputting your details, your name, your email, your password, a confirmation mail will be sent to your email, and you go over there to your email to confirm the mail. Then you come back to the app and you log in, and that's it. So there's so many features, and keep on sharing the app. And very soon we want to have a series of video discussions where we'll be making some explanation on the to explain better on some health conditions which we discuss on the app. We make series of videos on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, and we can follow us, Criterion Life on Facebook, Criterion Life on Instagram, Criterion Life on YouTube. So thanks so much. This is what we have to say, and that's it, the Criterion case.